Hey, hi! Today's amazing recipe is kanda bhaji, basically onion fritters, a very popular street snack in India, especially in Maharashtra. There are so many ways of making this amazing pakoras, but today I am sharing a very special recipe which is perfect crispy fritters of onion, especially for a cozy day. Let's start. Hey lovelies, this is Vanisha and you are watching Simplify Your Cooking. Let's start. Well, the recipe is not so hard but little bit tricky. Along with that, some important and beautiful points I have to share with you. So take some onions and we are making this fritters for 2 to 3 servings. First, basically you can take onions of good size. Here I am taking 4 medium sized onions. You can see the beautiful thin slice of the onion. You have to keep it like this. When you slice all onions, it starts releasing water inside it, and especially after adding some salt or some spices. First you have to add salt. So here I am taking salt as to taste. A pinch of asafoetida. Now here I am adding red chili powder as per the taste. Turmeric powder half a teaspoon. At this point I am taking some carom seeds, approximately 1 teaspoon, and just you have to rub it into your palms. The seeds are to make it very easy to digest, and as these fritters are deep fried and sometimes gram flour can become heavy on stomach, so that's why it's a compulsory ingredient. Now add some green chili, it's very optional. We have already added red chili powder, so you can skip it too. Just you have to mash everything together and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Just after 10 minutes you can see the change into the onion. Add hot oil, approximately 1 tablespoon, and just mix it. So it's time to add some gram flour to the sliced onions. There is no any measurements of the flours here, as it depends on the water which is released from onions. So you have to check the texture of the batter. So it should be quite thick. Well, you can see now I have added all the gram flour, and you can also see the texture of the batter. It is quite thick. For crispiness, we are here adding some rice flour. It is very important ingredient that you have to add into it. So here I am taking approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour, and just you have to mix it like this. You have to make a feast, and that will help to release the water as much as you can while making the batter. So now there is no need to keep it for rest, and you just have to fry them all. For crispy bhajis, ensure the oil is very hot, and when you start frying, you can also do a small test by adding a pinch of batter to the oil, as right oil temperature for frying is very crucial. If in case the oil becomes very hot, the bhajis will get brown quickly and can burn also. So they will also rise to the surface very quickly. If it rises smoothly and steadily, then the oil is hot enough for bhajis to be fried. Add spoons full of batter, and just you have to wait, and after a point of time you have to just turn them all, otherwise it will get all mixed. So fry them all on medium heat, else they won't fry evenly. When one side is partly cooked and light golden, then flip the bhajis with slotted spoon. Flip a couple of times more and fry them till they become crispy and golden. Fry few kanda bhajis at a time in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan with frying. So look at the amazing golden fritters of onion, and amazing, uneven bhajis are so much amazing. So it should be served hot. As it cools, it loses its crispiness. So if you want to combine this bhajis, we have so many options are there, like tea, coffee, or you can fry slit green chili. Like the best combination is hot cup of tea, a cozy corner, and a plate of bhajis. Enjoy. So do like the video if you really like the recipe, and do share your comments, your suggestion in the comment section. I am keenly waiting for your comments. Till then, take a good care of yourselves. Bye bye.